Hey dears, be updated with your updated technology. Data file handling process in C. This is my second video related data file in C language. In previous video, we have already talked about the data file, what is data file, what are the functions, what are the concepts and how we work, what is the data file and different streams that please go through my previous video if you have not gone. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the basic things or means what are the requirements, how we can work with that all different syntax like here file concepts types file handling process that all we will talk in this video. So let's start and please give me some comment if you have some like queries or something, then because it requires and one like is my motives and one subscribe is my like my motivations. So okay, so please do that. So like here normally we face some informations, we take some informations from the keyword by the users by using like this different function like scanf gets chr gets, and that can be stored in main memory, and from the main memory we have to create one file, and we can write that all data what is we have fetched, what are we have fetched in main memory to the our data file, to our particular file by creating that file or by opening existing files, and again we can retrieve that data uh, to the main memory so that we can manipulate and we can deliver to the users by using like printf puts hr puts on the screen. Okay, so these are the concept, these are the data flow. So it's normally if you understand these are very simple things, it's a concept of file handling. So furthermore if you talk about the file handling I have already told you we need to create one file or we have to open the existing file. So first uh, we have to use this syntax like to open the file, like we have to define one file pointer by using capital file file, and you can give the file pointer name as here with the indirect sign asterisk sign, also you can say asterisk sign with this indirect sign you can find here fp I have given. So in this place of fp you can give here any file pointer name, but remember that it's a kinds of identifier, you have to follow the identifier rules like it must start with either underscore or alphabet letters, and but you have to use this file file to declare as a file pointer in capital letter. Okay, and in this file pointer we are going to open by using the f open functions, and in this syntax you have to write the file name as well as mode of the file, means for what purpose you are going to open, like this mode is actually like write mode, to store to write or to append also we can say, like append means I will talk about this all. So these are the here all different modes you can find, read modes, just you can write the r for read mode, and w for the write mode, a for the append modes, r plus for existing files for both reading and writing as well as. So it's very similar to append modes. But append modes it does not let us to read, but here r plus it helps us to read also, and rw also you can find that is also read and write mm, in file, and then a plus also you can find that is read and write. Okay, so normally these are the modes, and you can give the file name. While giving the file name you have to remember that you have to supply file name as well as extension, means complete. If your file you are going to create or open any other file in any other folder, then you have to supply the path as well as. So let's we will do this practically in next video or maybe in this last of this video. So here are some functions that really helps us to handle or supports in handling the files, like to open the files opening files like yaf open, I told to close the file yaf closing, and then writing the files like get c, put c, reading files, and get w. This all I have told you. I will go through this all practically. You can find c here. Get c is a read character from the data file, character wise character, okay. And put c, it helps to write the information, that data character wise into that file, and get w, it's a work with the integer data, only integer data. Pure w, it's also work with the integer data. F scanf and f printf, these are formatted input output, also we can say scanf and printf, these are formatted input output. Here also, if formatted data or specified data, like if data are known, okay, specified, so for that you can use this fscanf to write data, write information or fetch data informations into the file, and read data from the file, and fprintf is to write data into the file. And fread and fwrite also we can do. These are for the record files. So normally, and some more, if you'll go through this, like a character in input output, like I told you, f gets, f puts also function we can use. Normally f gets, f puts, practically we will do this all like I have, what I have already told you, string base these are, and character base these are, and normally formatted input output, I told you, and record block input output. So if you want to write, or if you want to manipulate all your informations character wise, then you have to use get f get c to read data from the file, and f puts to write data from the into the file. And like here, if informations are completely line wise, or we can say at once many in string, if you want to manipulate, then f gets is to read, and f puts is to write data into the file. As here also, I have already talked about this all. So only this much in this video. So see you in next video. We will talk about some more about these functions. So see you, take care, and please don't forget to write comment.